Now, sa bullying talagang nakakaapekto, sabi nga dun sa PISA results, talagang nakakaapekto yung bullying sa performance nila sa exam. There was really a correlation made by the PISA results. No? Sa ngayon, what and we all know na talagang ganyan yung problema. In fact, sa ating Learner Rights and Protection Office na tinayo natin last year, karamihan sa mga complaints are really bullying. No? Yung mga natatanggap natin ng mga tawag, yung mga na iniimbestigahan natin ay karamihan related to bullying. So sa ngayon, ang ginagawa po natin is pinapalakas natin yung ating mga tinatawag na Child Protection Committees sa mga paaralan. Yung reporting system, we are continuously improving it. Although meron na tayong Learner Rights and Protection Office, gusto natin siguro magkaroon tayo ng hotline sa mas madaling tandaan, for example, para talagang magamit ng mga bata. As so far, ang na-resolve natin na cases sa ating Learner Rights and Protection Office, at least yung latest report na nakuha ko is around 120 cases na yung na-resolve natin. Pero we still don't know if there is under-reporting going on. That's why we need to make sure that our system is accessible to everyone, even to anonymous complaints, kasi maraming takot na mag-complain, to make sure that people are really being encouraged to report.